I have found the most comfortable computer chair at a great price. This is the Serta. This is the big and tall. The leather is super soft. It is very easy to work with at a desk. The seat is so big and comfortable. I really like that. It turns easily, doesn't have no squeaking sound. It turns really nicely. My favorite part about it is the backrest that I could like lay my head down. Same with adjusting. It is very convenient. It does everything you want a computer chair to do. I hope that you seeing it in reality will make your choice easier.